Hey everybody, Rick Needham handicapping thoroughbred racing from my hometown track, Penn National Racecourse, Granville, Pennsylvania on Wednesday, April the 8th. This is my day at the track.com race of the day. So take a look at race 5 tonight, folks, 7:49 p.m. Eastern Post Time. 8.5 furlong route test on the dirt track. 4-year-olds and up race for an optional claiming prize of $30,400. Contenders: number 4, Farrah's Kid; number 7, He's So Fine; number 1, Diddy Dinosaur; and number 2, Marriage Fever. Number 4, Farrah's Kid, a 4-to-1 shot, qualifies as a Trackmaster Plus Power Pony, is the overall speed leader in this optional claiming field, racing at or above tonight's distance of 8.5 furlongs on the dirt. Has hit the board in Power Run fashion in 4 of his last 5 outings overall, including a pair of Power Run wins being embedded in this recent streak of racing consistency. Number 7, He's So Fine, has hit the board in 3 of his last 5 outings overall, including Power Run wins in his second and fourth races back, which of course is indicative of a bounce pattern, folks. The bounce will be up positive this evening if this pattern continues. Race 5 summary: number 4, Farrah's Kid, tops my contenders list tonight here at Penn Nat, which also includes number 7, He's So Fine; number 1, Diddy Dinosaur; and number 2, Marriage Fever. 4-7-1-2 in the 5th from Penn National. Wednesday long shot for the Charlestown first race 2, the 8-to-1 shot. Number 2, Bombay Beaches, takes a slight class drop, nice overall speed for tonight's 6.5 furlong sprint. Mahoning Valley race 6, the 10-to-1 bomb. Number 3, Dan the Irishman, drops in class by 3 Trackmaster units. Speed figure sprinting at 6 furlongs on the dirt, which are comparable to the favorite, number 2, Seattle Prospect. So handicapping from Penn National on a Wednesday night for DayAtTheTrack.com. Remind you as always to please bet with your head, not over